Editing contact details is a breeze with SleekFlow's user-friendly interface. Here's how you can easily edit a contact's information. All sent and received media files from the conversation are conveniently stored under the media section. To locate and download these files and media records, simply click on the paperclip logo in the conversation. You can effortlessly view the contact's phone number and email address in the Contact Details panel. Adding notes for a contact is a great way to keep track of important information. To add notes, click on the plus icon and write short reminders or notes. Segmenting and identifying important and loyal customers is made easy with customer labels. This helps ensure that they are not left out when preparing broadcast campaigns. To set labels for a contact, refer to our guide for more information. To better classify and target your contacts, you can add them to lists. To add a contact to a list, use the plus icon. You can either create a new list by typing into the input box and selecting Create New List, or select an existing list by ticking the respective box. Locating the contact person's details is a breeze with the contact information bar. Simply click on the magnifier icon to easily find the desired contact information.